Welcome to Vantage, your go-to channel for simplified yet comprehensive insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. Join us as we break down complex topics into easy-to-digest bites, keeping you informed and confident in your crypto journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for valuable updates. Hello and thank you for joining us on our channel once again. In this video, we'll be discussing Safemoon and its upcoming blockchain. We'll break down the significance of this new step-by-step and even share our predictions for the future through a price graph. We'll also guide you on the best times to buy and sell. We have an awesome analysis on Safemoon today, so be sure to stick around until the very end. Now that we have that covered, let's dive into the video. The past few data have left us with a positive outlook. There hasn't been anything to jeopardize the success of this project. First and foremost, India has lifted its ban on cryptocurrencies. Fantastic news, as it'll result in more people becoming holders. With smartphones in the hands of most Indians, they now have the means to invest in cryptocurrencies, even if they haven't done so yet. As blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies continue to play a big role in the global economy, more people may consider diving into the world of crypto. Also recently, Papa Henson mentioned our upcoming Safemoon blockchain in the official Discord community. You heard right, the Safemoon blockchain is on its way. It's currently operating on the Binance Smart Chain. With this transition to our own blockchain promises a wave of positive changes. Whether Pop is dropping hints or just keeping us guessing, we don't know for sure. What we do know is that we're in search of skilled developers, which could be in for building the bridge or the blockchain, so we'll have to wait and see. We believe our current situation is quite promising. A Reddit member shared thoughts on a potential Safemoon blockchain implementation. If their analysis turns out to be accurate, it could be significant news. While we don't consider ourselves tech experts, we've spent that day keeping an eye on blockchain discussions. Despite our limited expertise, we've managed to piece together a few hypotheses. Based on our current understanding, this venture could have substantial implications. Just imagine if Safemoon launches its cryptocurrency exchange and blockchain, parting ways with Binance and making BNB redundant. This change would affect 2.5 million wallets. Questions still loom about the scale of the transition from Binance to Safemoon. Next, Safemoon plans to introduce Safemoon coins, with a limited initial quantity that will gradually increase over the years. These coins are set to hold higher value than Safemoon tokens. The shift from tokens to coins is a significant step, involving the discontinuation of token burns and the implementation of coin-specific tokenomics. Following the complete transition from tokens to coins, tokens will become the sole means for acquiring or exchanging lesser-known tokens or coins. Similar to how PancakeSwap operates, Safemoon primarily relies on redistribution except for tokens that need to be burned. The tokenomic system will be consistently applied to all coins and tokens on its blockchain. As a result, tokens will be distributed to all existing holders, and any tokens or currencies not in circulation will be automatically converted and added to wallets. Additionally, Safemoon has exciting plans to introduce the Safemoon card. Integrated with the designated amount will be automatically deducted from the user's wallet. Safemoon is also opening up possibilities for direct deposits, particularly beneficial for individuals without traditional bank accounts. By providing the routing number and personalized account number for the Safemoon card linked to the wallet, funds can be instantly converted into the selected token or currency. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this plan, so please share them in the comments section. Now let's turn our attention to the price estimate. Over the past 10 days, bullish Safemoon investors have faced some challenges due to price inflations, and a new support level has emerged following the 54-hour simple moving average transition, providing there is sufficient buying pressure. With the right shoulder of the pattern now complete, there's a possibility of limited upside potential in the coming hours. However, the odds are increasingly favoring a bullish outcome. Safemoon's price consolidation resembles that of other cryptocurrencies. It was the first to introduce in March of 2021 at a starting price of $10. By April, it had surged to $1,500, rewarding early investors handsomely. This rapid ascent led to a market valuation ranging from $3 billion to over $4 billion, placing it around the 200th in the cryptocurrency rankings. This meteoric rise also attracted over 2 million users Safemoon's low price compared to most digital assets allow investors to establish significant holdings. Currently around 600 trillion Safemoon tokens are in circulation, with developers capable of actively burning tokens to limit the supply. Safemoon is not listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, so investors must use the decentralized PancakeSwap marketplace for transactions. Recent price action indicates an attempt to break the broader downward trend in place since May 11, establishing a strong support level. The inverted head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour chart provides investors with a high probability entry point while clearly defining risk levels. The right shoulder of the pattern forms in alignment with the ascending 54-hour simple moving average at $483, while the neckline is identified at $495. Notably, during the entire pattern formation, there has been a consistent decrease in trading volume, indicating a reduction in selling pressure. This pattern has a target price of $643 in its sights, signifying a potential 30% gain from the current position at the neckline. Importantly, this target level slightly surpasses 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the May downturn, set at $620, and intersects with the downward trending May trend line. In the event of a breakthrough of this trend line, it may encounter resistance at the 200-hour simple moving average, currently situated at approximately $671. Other notable resistance areas include the 50% Fibonacci retracement at $731 and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at $841. In April, Safemoon achieved an all-time high of $1,500, a crucial point to bear in mind, as it was followed by a dramatic collapse resulting in a staggering 90% loss of value. Consequently, investors should remain vigilant regarding potential risks to their investments. The inverse head and shoulders pattern could be invalidated with a 4-hour close below $400, potentially triggering a retest of the lows from June 23 at $285, followed by the lows from May at $19, which were at $261. This scenario would simply imply a significant 45% decrease in price. Safemoon is currently in the process of shaping its price history and piquing the interest of a new generation of bold investors and gathering media attention. It has the potential to become a prominent digital asset in the future. Thanks for watching our video about Safemoon. Stay updated on cryptocurrency news and insights. Make sure to follow our channel, Vantage. Your support and engagement means a lot to us. We're here to help you navigate the world of digital currencies, so keep an eye out for more content. Happy investing and see you in the next one.